day number 2. Seeing that back there. But we got some neighbors, so I'm not trying to start up exactly when the sun comes up. And then I might have some. I got a deer blowing at me. But yeah, I don't want to get a bunch of folks mad. I got a backup alarm going off this early in the morning, so I'm just gonna look around at deer tracks or something until the sun gets up a little bit more. This place is gonna look a lot different. I did a lot. About an hour, maybe a tad bit over an hour, but it's still a lot the last time I did it. But I got a full day today, full day tomorrow, and so we're gonna get a lot done. All that I just showed you on that pond over here to my right, it's all gonna look totally different here in a little while. I'm about to call it a day, but that's what I got done today. Got it all smoothed out. A lot of pushing, but we get it. Y'all stay tuned and I'll be back in the morning.